Hey everybody, this is Neil here. Thanks for taking a minute to watch this video. What I have in front of me is a tool called VideoShaver. VideoShaver is a web-based online video creator that comes with pre-scripted and pre-loaded, ready-to-use business spokesperson templates. There are all kinds of templates for advertising, marketing, and local marketing, local niches as well. And real quick, I'll just kind of give you a rundown of how you can easily create awesome videos with this tool, and then all the further in-depth features and so forth. So as you can see, we have a couple different plans here. So in the professional plan, you have 24 different templates, and you can see there are all types of different niches and so forth in here. In the premium plan, it has 56 additional templates. There are 3 different volumes of 18 here. So in the professional plan, you get the 24 templates, but with the premium plan, you get the 24 templates from the professional and the 56 templates from the premium for a total of 80 templates. So all you have to do if you want to create a video is just select the template that you want to use. So let's say we want to use pet care here. And the great thing about VideoShaver, excuse me, is that it's web-based, so there's nothing to install on your server. You don't have to deal with any of that slowing your computer down. You can even have multiple instances open of it in different tabs and be rendering your videos and so forth while working on other ones. So, but anyways, I'll get to some of that in a minute here. Real quick, what most people are going to want to do once you selected the template, you can see your preview of the video here and you can play it and see how it looks and sounds. But anyways, I'll pause that because we're on a video here. But anyways, what most people are going to want to do is just simply go in here and edit the business name and information. So new biz info, and then maybe add a logo and so forth. And then all you have to do if you want to see a particular part of the video is move the playhead along down the video. And you can see here at the end, you just want to change this to, the different business, different information right there as well, right? So once you've completed the customizing of the template, if you've added text overlay, things like that, and you're ready to go, you can go ahead and click the save button. And from here you really have 2 options. You can either publish the video, which will render an MP4 file that you can then download and use as you like, whether uploading to YouTube or so forth. But you can also actually just click this share button and save yourself a lot of time and trouble there. And then you can embed this video anywhere online that you choose where you could embed a normal video. You also get a preview link here which you can use to show your clients the template before it's complete if you like to have them look at it and so forth. And what's really amazing about VideoShaver, excuse me, is if you go in here and let's say, okay, I've published that video and I've embedded it, or excuse me, I shared it and I've now embedded it on a couple different web pages. If I go back in here and let's say I just make a change like, take this out, for example. Then I can go back in here and hit save and it'll automatically update anywhere that I posted a video online. So very powerful stuff if you want to let your clients see a preview of the video before you have to go through all the trouble of rendering and publishing. And then if they want changes made, you have to go and do that all over again. With the share feature, you can save yourself a lot of trouble and time there as well. Another really cool thing here is you can actually take this template as long as you've made a change and you can then clone your template. And it will basically create a new version of this template which you can then edit and relabel. So you can easily reproduce multiple variations of the videos that you're creating in just a few minutes. Pretty cool stuff, right? So let me get into some of the features that we have here and things you can do. So here you have your main download section where you can download the videos that you've created. You also have your My Video, My Audio, and My Images, where you can upload any of your own audio stock footage or audio clips or pictures and so forth. The great thing about VideoShaver though is that it comes with a video library, an audio library, and an image library already included. So you can see this really goes on for quite a while here, and you can select from any of these different video clips, and if you wanted to add them to your video you just have to drop them down on the timeline. And then as you can see in this part of the video, we've now got people in the background doing a group dance, right? Okay, so then you've also got your audio library. There are tons of stock audio in here, so there's no need to go out and purchase stock audio and waste money on that. Then you also have your image library where you have a ton of different calls to action, type buttons, buy buttons, price buttons. There's, I think, over 500 images in here. This, excuse me, really goes on for quite a while. So then you also have your effects. And the effects, you can do all kinds of cool stuff, but there's a couple that I really want to point out at first. So first off, you have a call to action, a clickable call to action link. So you can actually drag this down if you wanted to put this on your timeline, and then you can put this in your video, and you can turn this into a clickable call to action. You can either do this with text or image. So let's say you wanted to go ahead and put an image down there. All you would have to do is simply drag that there, right? Oh, sorry about that. You need an image. So let's say I wanted to use this button here, if I can get my mouse working correctly. Okay, so as you can see here, then you can click on the media, you have your call to action link, and if I drag the playhead over here, you'll see this image posted on here. Now the great thing about that, and obviously I could scale that, I could make it smaller and not make it overlay over everything, but I'm just doing a quick example here. But what's cool is then you can actually make it a clickable call to action. So you can put whatever URL you want in here, and if you just click on this right here, it'll take you to whatever URL you put in there. You can also do that with a watermark effect as well. If you wanted to put a watermark on your video and have it going, you know, all the way from the beginning to the end and so forth, right? So anyways, you can do that with a watermark, or you can do that with a clickable call to action. Now, something else that I really wanted to show you that's pretty awesome as well, and again, I'm doing this really quickly on the fly, so I'm kind of messing things up here, but you can also change the background image. So let's say, for example, you wanted to put your own image in the background, okay? You could then take this right here and drop it in here, and you can see that I pop that in the background. But let's say, for example, I just wanted to use an image out of the library. I could easily drop that in there as well. Oh, excuse me. You need to use this is what the chroma key effect is for. Sorry about that, folks. So then all I would want to do is then go ahead and drop a new image down in here, and sorry if this is taking a little long. And then here you go. As you can see, we've now got the buy button in the background. You can then easily adjust this if you wanted it to fit the whole screen to make it show up like that. And you could do that with any image, a beach or whatever. So you can really create your own unique backgrounds and videos there as well. So here you can fade in the content in and out. You can position it. You can scale it. You can change the color. If it's text, it gives you the option to select different fonts and sizes as well, and so forth. And then here's where you can upload your own files as well to create your own unique videos. Also, as with most standard video editors, you can do things like copy, split, delete, cut, all that kind of stuff as well. So the other great thing is, as long as you get the premium license, is you can actually have up to 20 additional users under your account. So you can have your outsourcers making videos for you, graphics people working in there, all that kind of stuff as well. So anyways, I think that about covers it for the inside of VideoShaver. Really excited to release this to everybody. You can check out the rest of the information below this video on this page. There's a couple different options, like I said, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.